Hi, my name is Reverend Kevin Knox with abeautifulceremony.net, and if you're watching this video, it's probably because you're engaged and you're getting ready to get married and you have some questions about how to get your Florida marriage license. I want to answer some of the questions that we get most frequently about getting the Florida marriage license. One of the first questions that we get a lot is, where do we go? Of course, you can go to the courthouse in the state of Florida, but you can go to any courthouse. As long as it's a Florida state marriage license, you can get married anywhere in the state of Florida. Another common question that we get is, what do we bring? The most important thing for you to bring, other than your spouse, when you marry, is the two of you together, is photo identification. The courthouse is going to require either a marriage license or a passport or a government-issued photo ID. You will need good, valid photo identification. Also, they're going to ask you for your Social Security number. You don't need to have your card with you, but you will need to put your number down in the form. And while I'm speaking of forms, let me remind you that on my website at abeautifulceremony.net, I do have a form that's very similar to the marriage license itself, and it will give you blanks for all the questions that they're going to be asking you, such as Social Security number, and also maybe how your first marriage ended. So if you were previously married, they're going to want to know that the date that marriage ended, either by death or by divorce. You're going to have that date. Also, when you get to the courthouse to get your license, you are going to have to read what we call the Florida Law Pamphlet. This is about 12 or 13 pages long, and in this pamphlet they're going to issue and talk to you about all the rights that you have as a married couple. So you're going to have to read that. But in addition, I have that on my website as well that you can download free at no additional cost. Take it to the courthouse with you and sign it as proof that you've already read that. That'll save you about 10 or 15 minutes at the courthouse time. The cost of the marriage license is at least $93.50. It may vary from county to county because different counties have different amounts of tax that they put on the marriage license. And let me also say that if you want a discount on the marriage license, the state of Florida is one of very few states that gives a discount for people who take premarital counseling. And by the way, we do have an online premarital counseling course that you can download at our website at abeautifulceremony.net. When you take that course, it will discount the license by $32.50. It's not just a good discount on the license, it's also a good investment in your marriage. When you're paying for your marriage license, the courthouse will either take Visa, MasterCard, a money order, or cash. They will not accept a personal check. Now, there's some restrictions about the marriage license you need to be aware of, at least some timelines. The first of which is that the marriage license is only valid for 60 days. So you have to get married within that 60-day window. In addition, if you are a Florida resident, there is a 3-day waiting period before that marriage license becomes valid. If you want to waive that 3-day waiting period, then you need to take the premarital counseling course. So bottom line is, if you want to get married on Saturday, don't wait till Thursday or Friday to get your marriage license. You can expect to take 30 minutes in the courthouse to get your marriage license. And by the time you finish, they will actually give you back the marriage license for you to give to your officiant who performs your ceremony. They'll fill out their form, and then they get it registered with the courthouse. This is Kevin Knox with abeautifulceremony.net. My next video will be on how to get your marriage license by mail. The state of Florida will allow you to get your marriage license by mail if you are not a Florida resident. That'll be in my second video. And thank you for your attention.